Hello, this is Will John from ADAS, and we're here today at Coed y Ddullian in South Wales to talk about the EIP project on low impact forestry. This woodland, like many in Wales, suffers from lack of management. Lack of management can mean that large quantities of timber are not utilised, even though demand for the products do exist. The reason woodlands are undermanaged can often be attributed to difficulty in access, and farm woodlands like this one are often situated on sloping banks. Getting large-scale forest machinery into them can be problematic. So what we want to achieve with this EIP project is to assess the impact of several bits of forest machinery in the woodland and look at their impact on the ground in particular. The sort of machinery we're looking at is the sort of machinery you tend to find in smaller scale woodland operations as opposed to large scale commercial plantations. So we're going to be looking at a conventional county tractor, a tracked bobcat with a forestry head, and an articulated alpine tractor with a forest head attached to it. This site has been chosen because it's on a uniform slope and we've been able to get the 4 replications in within quite a close area. This particular site is the tracked bobcat, and the vehicles have left the woodland, so the next stage is to install monitoring equipment. The monitoring equipment would be installed to catch runoff during high rainfall events during the wettest part of the winter. We're hoping to analyse runoff in terms of sediment and nutrient concentration losses and the volume of water running off each of these individual rides. So we have the 3 interventions: the bobcat, articulated tractor and the county, but we will also be comparing results with a control of non-intervention, and we're hoping the results will give us an indication of which bit of machinery has the lowest impact on the ground, and we're also hoping that the results of the work will be of use to foresters, contractors, or anybody really interested in managing either existing woodlands or undermanaged woodlands and minimising the impact on the environment.